Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll see an important topic that drastically transform not only the individual business but also the entire industry analysis. So this in this lecture series already we are discussing about the product management. So here today's topic we'll discuss about the market analysis, how to increase the market size of the product. So first let me clarify the product what is product management. So this I'm going to take a small glimpse on this. So it is an art of science of planning, executing, and closing the projects to achieve the specific goals within the specified timeline and budget. So the effective management leads to enhance the productivity, may increase the efficiency and the great customer satisfaction, which are the crucial point for the expanding the market reach. So if we want to expand the market reach, then we have to identify what the customer is really required and pain point of the customer to so that we can solve the real commercial problem what the customer faces. So how does the project management related to increase the market size? So well, the effective project management can lead for the better resource allocation, like optimizing the use of resources allows in the companies to take the one or more project that meets the market demand, and we can enhance the collaboration. The project management fosters the teamwork, communication, and enable the shift response of the to the market changes. And then risk management with the structured methodologies like agile waterfalls. Companies are better at anticipate the problems and adapt the market shift. So let's take the real world problem. So companies, for example, companies like the Apple, Microsoft have mastered the project management structure, but improving their product life development cycle and reducing the time to the market, they were able to scale the rapidly. Even in small business, we can see that considering the startup that utilize the agile project management. So by iterating the design based on the user feedback, they realize that the product is directly depends upon the market needs. So earning can them is a competitive edge and increase their market size. So when you go for the increasing the size of the existing market, then we have to analyze what is the market size, like current understanding pain points of the market, and then we can, as already I have said, we have to go for the competitor analysis to identify the strength and weakness and their business strategy. And then already we have seen the SWOT analysis technique in previous lectures, so that you can refer the videos that we have to do for the accessing the what is the strength and weakness of a existing product, and segmenting this like identifying the target customers and the growth which has to which what is the need of the preferences and the strategical development and so forth of execution. So these are the basic elements to increase the market size of the existing product. So let's see this building a new business of new case. For developing a new product, what are the features should be there? So first thing is we have to identify the problem statement, which it has to be clearly defined for solving the real world solutions. And next is then market analysis. So before going to the market analysis, let's see this. There is some further components are there to identify the business, like of what will be the first. Before starting the business, we have to see what is the executive summary, and then problem statement, what is the for that problem statement, what will be the solution and market. Then we have to find out whether it will fit in the market or not, market analysis, and then financial projection. So let me take the quick review. For example, let me take any proposal where you are suggesting why it does matter, what you are going to suggest, and then what value it is going to bring. So keep it concise and compelling. So that articulate to change your customers are facing. We use the real data and customer feedback to make your point to be very clear and precise if you are writing the proposal. And give the real pictures of the problem, which will help the stakeholders to understand their needs, and even they can find out the problems which has to be the need to be addressed first. That is of the urgency of your product. So this all the major criteria for it has to inform to the stakeholders. Next is, for example, let us create a prototype. So for if you're creating a prototype, you have to describe its functionality, benefits, and it's if you have a prototype or mock-up, then you go and show that to the market. And when you reach the market space, it is in landscape. So find out who will be the customers and which gap you are going to fill that existing product. What are the statistics you are going to apply, and then what this product will be supposed. That is the more matters in that, and we should have the strong arguments why we are going to keep the standing in that business. So we can even go for the ROI analysis. ROI is return on investment. So by comparing the existing benefit of the cost to the specified cost. For example, if you are investing in something and if you are getting the product cost and the investment cost, that we have to calculate it. What will be the return on investment of that product, and identify the risk management as well. So if you remember all these components, then you can find train the audience for the exact business. So these are the strategies you have to remember when you're designing the new product for the business. Thank you. Now I will just go for the clarify the problems, proposing a solid solution. So we have to do the research and financial. These are the two major things which is able to create a powerful business case that resonates with the stakeholders. If you found this video will be helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.